Welcome to Mindset Money, the channel that empowers you to achieve financial freedom and cultivate a wealth-building mindset. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of running a successful business: marketing. As an entrepreneur, you likely have a passion for your product or service. You've put in countless hours of hard work and you're proud of what you've created. But no matter how great your product or service is, if people don't know about it, they won't buy it. That's where marketing comes in. Marketing is the foundation of any successful business, and without it, your business will struggle to grow. Let's dive deeper into why marketing is so important. Marketing is the art and science of understanding people's needs and desires, and using that understanding to create a connection between a product or service and its target audience. It is the invisible force that drives consumer behavior, shapes culture, and ultimately determines the success or failure of a business. By developing a clear understanding of marketing, targeted messaging and advertising can increase the likelihood of a message resonating with potential customers and drive more sales. It's important to note that marketing isn't just advertising. It encompasses everything from product development, branding, advertising, customer engagement, and more. Marketing helps you build your brand identity, which is much more than just your logo or your website. It's the collective experience that your customers have with your business. Your brand is what sets you apart from your competitors and creates a unique identity that customers can relate to. By investing in branding and marketing efforts, you can create a consistent brand message that resonates with your target audience and builds brand loyalty. And now, with social media, marketing has been revolutionized, making it easier and more cost-effective than ever before to reach your target audience. A successful marketing strategy requires a deep understanding of your target audience and what motivates them to make a purchase. It's not a one-time thing, but requires ongoing effort and adaptation to stay relevant and effective. In addition to reaching your target audience and building your brand identity, marketing also helps you gather valuable feedback from your customers. By engaging with your audience on social media, through email marketing or in-person events, you can gain insights into what your customers like and dislike about your product or service. This feedback is invaluable in improving your offerings and creating a better customer experience. Another reason why marketing is so important is that it can help you stay ahead of your competitors. By monitoring trends and keeping up with the latest marketing strategies, you can position your business as a thought leader in your industry. This not only helps you attract new customers, but also keeps existing customers engaged and loyal. But perhaps most importantly, marketing is essential for generating revenue. No matter how great your product or service is, you need to have a solid marketing strategy in place to attract new customers and keep existing ones coming back. Without a strong marketing strategy, you may struggle to generate enough revenue to keep your business afloat. Remember that marketing isn't a magic solution to all your business problems. It's just one piece of the puzzle and needs to be supported by a strong product or service, excellent customer service, and other key business elements. So there you have it. Why marketing is so important for running a successful business. From reaching your target audience to building your brand identity, gathering valuable feedback, staying ahead of your competitors, and generating revenue, marketing is essential for every business owner. If you're just starting out, don't be intimidated by marketing. There are plenty of resources available to help you get started, from online courses to marketing consultants. And if you're already established, make sure you're continuing to invest in your marketing efforts to stay ahead of the competition and drive growth. That's all for today's episode of Mindset Money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies on entrepreneurship, business, marketing, and psychology.